Okay, we do have good news! Oh my gosh, guys, I cannot stop smiling. Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so happy. Hello, beautiful people. How are you guys doing today? I hope you are doing amazing. Okay, we do have good news. Oh my gosh, guys, I cannot stop smiling. What a way to start this morning. Okay, I'm so nervous when I went to the visa agency because I received a text yesterday that I can already pick up my passport, and they actually did not say if you get approved or not, or what's the status about it. So it only says that you will be able to know if you got a visa or not once you pick up your passport. So that's why I could not talk and greet you guys earlier. I just cannot. I was super duper nervous. But anyway, oh my goodness! Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so happy. You know, as a Philippine passport holder, if you will be granted a visa, it is such a big thing, like especially for me, since I want to travel the world. The world, 100 countries for now. But anyway, guys, oh wait, where's my passport? Okay, guys, I'm so happy. All right, so I have my passport. I got my passport, guys, and oh my gosh, I got a visa. Guys, I got a freaking visa. I got a visa! Yay, yay, yay! I'm sorry, I just cannot contain my happiness right now. I know for some people this is not a big thing, but I just had to share that news to you because we're friends and you guys are there, and of course, I'm just so excited. I'm so excited to go to this country, and here it is finally happening. I actually never thought that I would get a visa because this country is a bit strict, but we got it. Okay, I don't know. I could not contain my happiness. Anyway, I just actually pulled over somewhere in the side of the road because I just want to talk to you guys and share with you the good news. And thank you, Lord. Alright, we are gonna wash Ruby because sorry guys, it's so bad road. Ruby is so filthy again. Like every time I go to the countryside and it's raining, Ruby gets filthy really quickly. So we're gonna go wash Ruby in car wash. And yeah, here we go. Let's go. Before, eating alone in a restaurant makes me feel weird. It is something that I would avoid. Before, eating by myself, surrounded by a lot of people, makes me feel awkward and anxious. I feel like people are looking at me and judging me because I'm all alone. Before, I would rather take my food out than saying dine in or for here, and that is because I'm alone. But that perception of mine has changed tremendously. I am now confident going inside a restaurant alone. not minding other people's looks as soon as I enter the room. There's a difference between being alone or lonely. Being alone is a physical state where you are physically by yourself. On the other hand, being lonely is an emotional state where you are feeling alone or disconnected from others, even when they're right next to you. And yes, I don't feel lonely at all. I might be alone, but not lonely. So to everyone out there that's afraid to eat alone outside, don't be. Learn to enjoy your own company. Be confident. I know you can do it, just like I did. Hello everyone, so I'm done with Miko is laughing at me. Okay, anyway, so we are here in Jollibee right now. I'm with my cousins. I'm treating them. It's actually our first time for so long. We have not met. Alright, so I actually got an injection right here. If you guys can see, this is my booster. I know we do have different perspective and perception about the vaccine and all that. I just needed this. This is for compliance in order for me to travel abroad, okay? So that it's a lot easier for me to travel abroad. I just need to get a booster. So that's why I have this. All right? Anyway, we're in Jollibee right now. I have some guests. Miko is shy. Don't be shy lagi. Don't be shy, okay? Hi, Miko. Say hi. This is Mika. O, diba? Hi! So, we are actually cousins, guys. Not cousin. You guys are my niece and nephew, right? Because your papa and I are cousins. Right? Yeah, so you guys are my niece and nephew. So yeah, I'm treating them with Jollibee. We have not seen for so long. Like, super long. Ah, yeah. Was it the birthday or the house blessing? The birthday? Ah, okay. Yeah, they're all grown up now. See? Let's eat. Bon appetit. Kugopo ni Miko. It's so funny because Mika was telling me earlier that she told Miko, oh, we're gonna meet at the Meljean. And then Miko said, what? Which one? Is it the vlogger? And he was like saying, oh, can I shower first? And he showered. The strawberry in Baguio. Oh, you watched that one, the I could have brought you some strawberries, but it's not good to bring it here because it's gonna get bad so easily. Yeah, I love the strawberry as well. It's so expensive here in Cebu. But in Baguio, it's so affordable.
You feel like summer days to me, warm, tender, sunny rays. I hope that we are meant to be. You say nothing at all when we meet, yet somehow I know your history. Oh, come what may, I'm ready. Picture frames, lavender paint, they all live here within this romance. I get the chance to stop the run and be the lucky one.
Hello everyone, good morning. I think it's already 9 a.m. right now here in Cebu. So mom actually brought me breakfast, guys. So we have here pinakbet. I think this is not pinakbet, just sauteed veggies. And then we have sinugbang baboy, or grilled pork that has been chopped like really small. And of course, rice. I have here water. Mom brought this here because I feel lazy today. I feel lazy this morning to go out and eat. Anyway, guys, let's eat. Bon appetit. I love these veggies. Can you hear my tummy making some sound because I'm hungry already? Since I'm going to this country soon, I badly need a luggage, like a bigger luggage. And the only luggage that I have, you know, guys, last time the luggage that I got was broken, but gladly the airline actually gave me a full refund. So I don't have a big luggage anymore. So what we're gonna do today is that we're gonna go to the mall, look for a luggage. I actually asked you guys in my community page in YouTube if what's the best brand for a luggage, and some of you said Samsonite or Delcy or Remova or Rimowa. I don't know how you guys actually read it, but yeah, I actually could not afford Remova, okay? So that's X.
Pwede sa mo ma-check siya kung sa yung full. Pwede mo siya ma-expand. At PSA lang siya, nga flat ang yung kuhaan. Ura. Ano siya yung matulong niya. Expandable naman siya.
Mas dako-dako siya kaysa ato.
Dako siya tan-awang pamagkita sa inyong lining. Ganun, lapad siya ma. Dala siya. Ang ka-advantage na niya sa kay pwede na mo siya malabhan ang lining.
Okay.
Mo na siya lining niya kani. Mo na yung zipper niya.
Para makuha ang lining?
Para makuha ang lining niya. Sample kanya. Di ba?
Okay.
Mo na kanina siya. Diba? Di ba?
Nadya po siya ano.
Madagal sa compartment.
Oo. Nasa siya yung lining. Ano po siya na di ay? For ano?
Because,
Asa man eh?
Kaya siya sa mga kuwan siya katong sa mga tawag galing ka ng mga perfume or para hindi maawas mo mga case ko.
Pareha rin is lagligid tanan or nasa difference? Parehas lagligid tanan or nasa difference?
Ang uban lang, ma'am, mas...
Ha? Oo.
Pero kung itaas mo siya, ayaw maganda okay. Gamay gamay ka mama.
Alright guys, so I finally got a luggage here in Samsonite, Ayala, Cebu. Hi! This is Jason. Hi! Asa to si Cherry? Hi! She watches the vlog, guys. Thank you so much. Sige. Yeah. There's my luggage. Bye! Hi, there you go.
Thank you so much.
Hello everyone! So finally I was able to get my new luggage, and yes, I have listened to 60% of you guys who actually did a vote in the community page in YouTube. That was Samsonite. Yes, I went straight to Samsonite in Ayala, and the guy there named Jason was actually very nice. He was very kind and patient to attend to me and my questions and my concerns and whatever. So yeah, it was sold. I finally got a luggage, and I know it looks bigger, especially for my size, but I badly need to get something like that because we're gonna be going to somewhere cold. Alright, so that's one hint, guys. We're gonna be bringing sweaters and hoodies and whatever. So yeah, that's why I have to get a new luggage since I don't have one. Hopefully that will last me forever. I know the color is very girly. It's like rose gold, which I don't mind. There's only 2 colors available for that particular variation, so I decided to get that one instead because the other one was gray. But yeah, I'm so happy. It looks durable. I heard a lot of positive reviews about Samsonite, especially when it comes to their wheels. And by the way, guys, when I was getting out of the mall, one of the things actually that I don't like about having really big luggage is that I'm not going to be able to carry it. So when I was going into the escalator, the security guard actually helped me. So he grabbed my luggage and he actually sent me to the basement. So that was very kind of him. And then when I was in the basement, I was trying to cross, and there was like a flood going on in there. I'm not sure. I think the septic like blew. Like, I don't know what happened, but there was another security guard, guys, who did like ask to help me as well with the luggage, like thinking maybe that it was heavy, but it isn't. So he grabbed the luggage again, and then he assisted me to the car, like to my car where I parked. Like, what? You know, now I realize, like, if I will be having a hard time like trying to like carry my luggage if I go to a different country, there's gonna be men out there that are actually kind enough to assist a woman. So that's good. So for the guys out there, if you guys see someone carrying something heavy, and especially it's heavier than they look, then guys, by all means, please try to help them. That will be really great. That will be a very good example. So yeah, I wouldn't have a hard time. I think hopefully there's gonna be good men to this country where I'm traveling to. All right, anyway, we're gonna be heading back now, and I'm gonna have lunch, and I do have a meeting in about 30 minutes, so come on, let's go.